With Varahi Navratri around the corner, this is a powerful time to connect with the fierce and protective energy of Mahavarahi. In the Lalitopakhyanā, Lord Hayagriva reveals 12 secret names of Mahavarahi to sage Agastya. Names so potent that the Brahmanda Purana tells us that even the gods chant them with reverence. The 12 names are Panchami, Dandanata, Sanketa, Samayeshwari, Samaya Sanketa, Varahi, Potrini, Shiva, Vartali, Mahasena, Agnya Chakreshwari, Arigni. These names can be found in the Varahi Dwadasha Stotram, which acts as a great protective armor for those who chant it. Panchami Dandanata cha Sanketa Samayeshwari तथा समय संकेत वाराही पोत्रिणी शिवा वार्ताली च महासेना आज्ञा चक्रेश्वरी तथा रिघ्नी चेति संप्रोक्तम नम द्वादशकम मुने श्रीमात्रे नमः।